Hi YouTube, this is Jasmine and we have made it to the island of St Lucia. And I'm still on the ship, but here's the background. And another cruise ship over there. I realized that a bunch of the islands are very mountainous. So I may not go on a tour of the whole island, but I will see some of the sights and stop at the market. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, so I didn't do a full tour of this island because it rained for half of the day we were there. So we didn't have time to look around and see everything. But I did take pictures around the port and around the shopping area. I stopped and got some Caribbean food. I got some jerk wings and a cocktail, of course. I think that was a papaya daiquiri. It was really good. I went into the market. What I noticed about the markets on the port, they all kind of had the same thing. They either had hats, souvenirs, things made out of coconut. Or they all had the same stores. Like there was a lot of the same jewelry stores. The clothing stores had a lot of the same things. So it was just like a shopping day around the port. I took pictures of other cruise ships that were in the same port as ours. But it was a rainy day, so it was kind of gloomy. It wasn't really sunny on the island. I know we can't control the weather, but you know, that's my take on it. But from what I could see, it was a pretty island. It was beautiful. So we stayed there until about 4:30 p.m. and then we set sail for the next island. So St. Lucia was very pretty. I usually travel with my travel buddy who is a guy, so that's to keep my safety because a lot of the island guys are very flirtatious. So we were gonna go. Hey YouTube, I'm still in St. Lucia. I'm about to board the ship. I didn't get to see a lot because it was raining most of the day. But there are some nice views of the ocean. And people getting ready to board back on the ship. But I'm relaxing and drinking on my drink. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. We were going to go to the beach, but we didn't go. It was rainy. So this is the port side of St. Lucia. So here you have the bay where the ship comes in, the mountainous areas, markets, and the town is that way. A little cruise ship right behind us. So as soon as I get off the ship, I'll do a little more video, but so far the view is amazing. So this is more of the backdrop of the island. They're all very mountainous and hilly, but they were also very beautiful. So that was a short version of the island of St. Lucia.